Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. We're so excited to have every single one of you here. Today, my husband Steve, aka Mr. Chaos, and I, you are Mr. Chaos, Chows, whatever.
Thank you, Mr. Chows.
Loser.
It's pronounced Chows.
Not if you're normal. Anyways, we are here for No Tag Tuesday or Tagless Tuesday. I know everybody kind of has their own term for it. So, gist of it being, we're going to answer tag questions and we're not going to tag anybody. However, if you want to join in on this tag, you can leave your answers down below. You can send me your YouTube information. I can send the questions over, or I can send it to you in email. If it's something you want to do on a regular basis, just let me know and I can add your channel to our list of regulars. All right, let's go ahead and get started. These tag questions were created by Sandy over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy, and they are just random tag questions.
Yep, thanks, Sandy. All right, question number one.
Now back to the show. That's how you said it. Thanks, Sandy, and back to the show.
Thanks, Sandy, and back to the show.
Yes.
Okay, cool. All right, and action. Speed, marker. Question number one. What time do you wake up in the morning?
Like wake up for the day?
It just says wake up in the morning.
Well, 5 a.m. is what I try to wake up at, but sometimes it's not until 6:30. Well, no, I always wake up at 5 a.m. I just don't always move until 6:30 sometimes.
Yeah, I'm usually awake about 5. My alarm goes off at 5:30, and then it's snooze, snooze, snooze.
No, he is snoring right up until his alarm clock that goes off at 5:45.
Well, my alarm's set for 5:30.
And then you fumble around like a zombie and the rest of the house is up.
Yes.
I have never met a man that shakes the bed as much as he does putting on socks. Not that I've been in bed with a lot of men who are putting on socks, but I don't imagine other men put their socks on and shake the whole bed as much as he does. I just can't imagine anybody else would but him.
And we've got one of the mattresses too where it's not supposed to disturb your...
No, he shakes the whole bed. Like, this man needs to take his socks to the living room and just leave me alone.
Wow.
But it's too cold.
It is. Who wants to put their cold feet on the floor without socks on? That's cold.
Suck it up, Buttercup.
All right, question number 2. What is your ringtone? This is a 2-part question. Number 1, what is your ringtone?
It's just some Samsung thing. I haven't even actually heard it in a long time.
Okay.
Because I always have it on vibrate.
All right, and do certain people have their own ringtones?
I don't know how to do that anymore. Because it's always on my watch and I always have the volume off.
Now, I do have a ringtone. It's Mr. Blue Sky by Electric Light Orchestra. And I do not have separate ringtones for everybody else.
We used to do that.
Yeah.
We used to have our wedding song back when we were cute and in love.
Yeah, way back then.
When he knew how to put on socks.
Fine.
I'm sorry, that's my pet peeve today.
Mm-hmm.
Don't shake the bed when you put on your socks.
All right. All right, 7.0 magnitude earthquake tomorrow morning when we get up.
Yeah, and you'll see him next week with a black eye.
Alrighty.
Just kidding.
That escalated quickly.
It didn't. You pushed it there. There was no escalating. It was just a straight push by you.
All right.
Like
Let's move on.
Maybe if I did hit you, you'd be better trained.
Woof. Question number 3. Have you ever taken any medication to help you sleep?
Every day. And he still wakes me up putting on his dang socks.
I just take melatonin.
Sometimes.
That's melatonin for those.
You couldn't handle a sleeping pill, Steve. I'm sorry.
No.
He took a half of a muscle relaxer once and slept for like 3 days.
Yeah, that was the groggiest
That's not
I've
exaggerating.
ever felt in my life.
I thought I was going to have to drive him home from work.
Yeah.
Half of a muscle relaxer.
I don't do well with medications. I don't.
He really doesn't. That's a rabbit hole we don't need to go down, though, do we?
No, not really.
Let's just focus on socks and questions.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Okay.
Yes. All right. Question 4. Do you wear contacts or glasses?
I wear contacts.
I don't wear glasses or contacts.
Yep.
Nope.
Yep.
I do not.
Just kidding. I'm thinking about switching to contacts, though. But I can't resist like the unique character you can get with glasses, though.
Mhm.
Like the uniqueness. There's some funky glasses out there, or I could do both, but I don't know.
Yeah, decisions. And then this is another one of those 2-part questions.
Okay.
And if you wear glasses, can you see fine without them?
No, can't see crap without them. Yeah, I can
Who are
see.
you?
I can,
Oh, hi.
I can still see Steve just fine when he doesn't wear his glasses. It doesn't affect my vision at all.
Oh, that's true.
So, yeah, pretty much. I just can't see with mine off.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
Right, bruh.
I know, right.
Bruh.
Bruh.
For all the people that hate that word.
Bruh. That's bougie.
We can say bougie. Joan said it was okay because we're going to have a bougie cheese sales business.
Fine, bruh.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go to the next question.
Okay.
That was an awkward pause.
Never done awkward before.
Oh, I do not like question number 5. It's another 2-part question.
Let me guess. It has to do with socks and shaking the bed.
Nope. When was the last time you showered?
Oh, jeez, Pete. Well, it's Sunday today, so Friday. Because we did not do anything yesterday, and we're not doing anything today, so I'll shower tonight.
Thursday for a shower. Yep. And then when's the last time you took a bath?
Oh, well, I took a bath on Friday. I take more baths than I do showers. So, yeah. Shower probably would have been earlier the week, but I take a bath almost every day. So, sometimes if I just oversleep, like till 6:30, then that's when I jump in the shower really quick. But
yeah. Last time I took a bath, what was it, last week? It was like the first time I took a bath in this house.
You took a bath this week because I was out doing something.
Might have been Tuesday. Well, maybe the bath was on Thursday. I can't remember. I don't know. It was, I guess, last week. We'll go with last week.
He takes more showers than he does baths.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
It's like the first time I took a bath in this house. So, but I was really not.
Was it?
feeling
It's a nice tub, huh?
Yeah, it was.
It's not bad. It's like a big old cast iron tub. It's not pretty looking, but our whole house isn't pretty looking. It's an old farmhouse, but it's a nice big deep tub.
Yeah, I had a rough week at work last week, and I needed a nice bath. Put some Epsom salt in there and just relaxed.
Yeah. Oh, it was Saturday, I think, that you took a bath to relax, wasn't it? Because I was out with Cindy and with my sisters.
I don't know.
It doesn't really matter.
Doesn't matter.
Boy, we're really focusing on this bath thing.
Yeah, we'll just put a chart up next time. That way, when you guys ask us this question again, we can just refer to the chart. I think that would help. All right, bath chart. All right. All right, question number 6.
Thanks for holding us accountable,
Yes.
Cindy. Now we know.
Yes. Yeah, thanks. All right, where do you buy your groceries?
So, mainly Walmart, but we also go to Sam's Club and Costco.
Is it groceries or groceries? Asking for a friend.
No, you're not. You're making fun. It's groceries.
I'm just curious.
What do you say?
Groceries.
Groceries? I say groceries.
Yeah, see?
Grocery, grocery.
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 Like an SH instead of a C.
Well, I'm going to bite my tongue.
Oof. Okay. All right, well, we'll just move. I don't know. Just throw it in there.
Meow.
Cool.
We're making animal noises?
Mhm.
Okay.
Oh, that was, what, 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, that wasn't just tags, Steve.
My bad.
It's not.
Okay.
It's okay.
All right. Question 7. Do you color your hair?
Mm-mm. Yes, I do. And I have a really awesome hairstyle coming up next weekend. It's going to be awesome. It's like fire.
I do not color my hair. It is
You didn't have
blonde
it.
like this. Au natural.
You guys saw my hair before I did this. It's like all white. And there's nothing wrong with white hair. I like bursts of color sometimes. And then I'll get tired of it and my hair will be gray and white again.
I've colored my hair, what, twice in my entire life? It went jet black once when I was in high school.
Who were you trying to look like, honey?
Ringo Starr was trying to...
No, you were not.
Yes, I was.
No, you were not.
I was nicknamed the 5th Beatle. No,
you
fine.
were not. You were trying to be the guy from Beverly Hills 90210.
Yes, I was trying to be like Puke Larry.
Like his mom, he could never grow the sideburns, but his mom would get up and do his hair for him.
And
like
she
the whole
would.
curl thing back.
She would help me do my hair.
Yeah.
So I can go with the whole 90210 look.
And I was all he could win with all those fancy looks.
You know, hey, what can I say?
Sorry about your luck.
I know. And then I dyed it pink one time. My whole hair was pink, and that was for breast cancer awareness.
I don't remember that.
Yep.
Was that in high school?
Nope, that was
when we were married.
Yeah, a couple of years ago.
Oh,
3 or 4 years ago when we did it over at Chrissy's house.
Yes, that's right. You sure did. We were so proud of you.
Yeah.
Like a bunch of girls went to my friend's house to get our hair done because one of our friends is a hairdresser. And he was the only guy there, and he got his whole head dyed pink.
Yep. And it wasn't temporary stuff. It was legitimately pink.
I wonder if we have pictures of that somewhere. I forgot about that.
Yeah, if we can find them, we can post them up here. I don't mind. I'm not ashamed. It was for a good cause. Yeah, I enjoyed it. Might do it again someday. Probably not.
I used to dye my hair. I could post pictures. I used to have neon green blue hair.
Yes, I know. You still have those pictures.
I could post some pictures here. I used to have some really funky hair colors. Like my whole head was shaved and it was like blue and green on top. But I was doing pediatric nursing at the time, and my client would help me pick what colors to put in my hair. So it was kind of a big deal. But I'll post those pictures in here too.
Cool.
I'm making this a really hard edit.
Yeah, you are kind of.
Especially since I waited till the last minute.
Well,
it's snowing.
Sneer.
Big snow.
Gurmy-gurd. Sneer.
Squirrel.
Yep,
sorry, but yes.
It's really pretty snow. It's like light, fluffy flakes. Yeah, and it's coming down slow, which is good.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. What's the last movie you saw?
Shawshank Redemption. Yep. We watched it with Ava last night.
Yep. She's obsessed with Shawshank.
They went and saw it, yeah.
Yeah, she got to go see the prison, and then they did like a 5K run there. Where like half the group was prisoners and half the group was guards, and it was kind of a competition. She had a real blast with it. So
I'm going back next year, as far as I know.
And it's
this year, I guess it is already.
Yeah, it's been a long time since I saw that movie, and then it was your first time watching it, wasn't it?
I think I've seen it before. I must have been young or something, or maybe I had little kids and couldn't sit down and watch the whole thing.
Yeah.
But you got to.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, it's a good movie. All right, question number 9. Can you taste the difference between Pissy and Coke?
Yes. Pepsi and Coke. Yes, I can.
Yep. So can I.
Huge difference.
Pepsi's sweeter in my book. It's got a lot more sweeter taste.
Yeah, but we both like both of them.
Yeah, drink whatever.
Yeah.
Yep. But if I had to choose, it would be Pepsi. Unless it was lime Coke, and then I'd be all over lime Coke.
Or lemon Pepsi when they made it.
Oh, yeah, I remember lemon Pepsi. That was good too.
That was really good.
Yes. All right. Question number 10, last one. If you knew today was the last day of your life, how would you spend it? Talk about a tough one for the end, huh?
With my family. I don't know what we would be doing, but we would not be fighting and bickering and yelling at our kids to take baths and clean their room. So that kind of puts stuff into perspective. However, they can't go to school without bathing. That's just not going to happen.
Right. Hence the bath chart.
Yeah.
Discussed earlier in question 5 or so.
Yeah. With my family.
Yeah, me too. Yep. We'd just be sitting around talking, probably reliving fun memories.
Why? We just watch movies and eat?
No, let's relive some fun memories.
So you're going to tell everybody that you're with that you know this is your last day?
Probably not.
Hang on.
Well, I'm assuming it would be like everybody's last day.
She didn't say the end of the world. She just said if you know it was your last day alive.
Oh, yeah. That's cool.
I don't think I tell people because I don't want them to be sad.
Yeah. Be interesting.
That's a bummer of a thought to go off and start the day on.
Yeah.
But they always say you should live every day like it's your last.
True.
So
all right.
You never know. Yep. All right, guys. Oh, we're going to say something?
No.
Okay. That's everything we got. Those are our answers. Don't forget, you can leave your answers down below. And please make sure you go check out all the other channels listed down below in the description. Thank you again, Sandy, for setting up these questions for us. And we're looking forward to next week's questions, which are going to be written by Edie. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, we'd really appreciate it. If you would like to be part of our YouTube family, please just click on the picture of me down in the corner or the subscribe button down below. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye, guys.